Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will show you how can you edit the Moody brown effect in Lightroom mobile. So stay tuned to the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss anything. So let's start the video. So guys, I am going to take this photo for editing. You can choose your favorite photos. So first of all, press a light, and I don't need to increase the exposure because it's look like pretty much lighter. So take the contrast to 22 and take the highlights to -90. Okay, done. And then take the shadow to -6. Then take the whites to -10. And then take the black to -16. Sorry guys, +16. Okay, and okay guys, then take the curve like me, just like that. Okay, then press done. Now choose color option and take the temperature to -2 and the vibrance to 71, +71. Okay, +71, and then the saturation to 40, -40. Okay, now press the mix option and first of red, take the hue to +8 and the saturation to -29, and then take the luminance to -36. Okay, then choose orange and take hue to -4, then take the saturation to -20. Okay, then take the luminance option to -16. Okay, now then take the yellow and take your hue to -75. Okay, now done, this is 75, and then take the saturation to -88. Okay, then take the luminance option to -22. Okay, now press the green option and take the hue to -100, then take the saturation to -77. Okay, then take this color and take hue to -46. -46 like that, and then the saturation to -86. Then take the luminance to -42. Sorry, take the luminance to -57. 56, not worries. Then take the blue color and take saturation to -79. Then take the luminance to -42. Then go to the pink color, last color. Take the saturation to -100. Then click done. Now go to the filter option. Take a clarity to +20 and vignette, take it to -9. Okay, then take the midpoint to 15, +15. Then take the fader to +95, 412, and then take the shadows to 5010. Not balance guys. 50 and 10. I have done it. Okay, then press to done option and go to detail. Take the sharpening to +20. Okay, done. And then at last take the noise reduction to +10. And here you go, our Moody brown effect has been done. It's look pretty much good. Check it out. This is the before and this is the after. Now I'll copy that settings. Okay, now paste it, and then look how it look like. Here also paste the settings, and then look, the Moody brown effect just look gorgeous. So that is it for today, guys. Subscribe to your YouTube channel, press the bell icon to never forget any updates, and like the video and comment below how much you liked it. Okay, stay tuned with me. Goodbye.